Orangutangled by Sopedia Brandon Collin. Flops of the apes that tangled, you know who are, and for Eve, my old wangadang. In the jungle, night is falling, tigers prowl, birds are calling, two orangutans recycling, the moon above is shining. Need a treat, need what to eat, something's juicy, something sweet. They search and seek, they see some mangoes hanging over from a tree. The red apes jump to reach the mangoes, rip and plump. They climb to where the mangoes dangle, thump, bump, bump, crash. They scold and mutter, fushies, mangoes splat, apes are gooey. Mama yank jumps onto the backs. She tugs, she pulls, she yanks, she throwbacks. Her silky airs get intertwined, pull, yanks. Orangutangled. A nosy bear, someone's road, bored decides to go explore. He finds a sheep all snarling gummy, inches near. They smell so yummy. With a snout, he pokes about. He slips and falls, he can't get out. His snout is stuck and all entangled, soon the boars are entangled. They push and press with no success. They all declare we're in a mess. The beasts are ripping, gnarling, scrawling, but they all need a tiger growling. They agree. Let's count to 3. They roll themselves behind that tree. 1, 2, 3, get going. Just as the tiger teeth are showing. One side paws with pointy claws. The tiger waits open jaws. The tangle's rolling faster and faster. The tiger's path disaster. Soon the beasts were trying to feast. It tangled up, say the least. In the distance, somewhere is rumbling. Waves are crashing, smashing, tumbling. All at once, the tangle's dashing to the ocean. Suddenly, they were all side free. The mangoes goosh washed out to sea. No longer tangled. Look around. What's lying on the ground? And a comfort pile recycling. All the animals are dining. Lucia's mangoes, yummy yummies, end up in the critters' tummies. Food is gone. Here comes dawn. Animals all stretch and yawn. Soon arms and legs are intertwined. Fall asleep, orga tango.